Gandang araw mga ka-truckers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Oliver the Trucker. For today's video, i-feature naman natin itong bagong dating dito sa Region 8, ang Shackman L3000 4x2 dump truck, 15 cubic mga ka-truckers, 15 cubic. So ano pang inaantay natin mga ka-truckers? Let's go! This is the Shackman L3000 4x2 dump truck, 15 cubic meter. This is a 2024 year model, so powered by Weichai engine, 240 horsepower. Mga ka-truckers, 6-cylinder lang po ito, no? So sabihin niya matipid ang 6-wheeler dump truck na ito. Papansin niyo, 6-wheeler siya, maiksi, pero mataas ang kanyang dump box because this is 15 cubic meter dump box capacity. And then you can see the tires are already upgraded to 12R20, which is it's the same with the 10-wheeler dump trucks, the 12R20. Alright, ka-truckers, by the way, the dump hoist of this dump truck is designed at the front. Alright, you can see the color blue, the Johnton brand telescopic boom or dump hoist, and then this is the hydraulic tank. So big, so malalaki yung mga hose na. Alright, by the way, later on we will demonstrate how this be dump, how is the dumping, right? And then we will check the engine. So ka-truckers, ikutan natin. By the way, this headlight, it has a daytime headlight, which is if you switch on the ignition engine, automatically this will illuminate or iilaw. Ayan mga ka-truckers. It has also mga LED, no? So, sobrang liwanag nito mga ka-truckers. And then tingnan nyo yung kanyang front panel, napakaganda. Ayan. By the way, this unit is available here at Optimus Trucks and Heavy Machineries, Tigbao, Tacloban City. Alright, let's go here at the other side. You can see the air cleaner, right? Naka-lift up siya, right? Mataas ang tindig nito, ground clearance niya, taas, then here is the fuel diesel tanker, diesel tank. Capacity niya is 300 liters, laki. So ayan. So mga ka-truckers, later on we will see the dumping and then inside the cabin. Open natin yung pinaka-hood niya para mayangat natin yung kanyang cowl o yung cabin para makita natin yung kanyang engine. By the way, itong ay good drive, 40 horsepower. Ayan ka-truckers, panalo Yunton. So ito yung mga pang-heavy duty na ng hoist, parang pang 10-wheeler din. Kaya makatakas kita niya. Take a look at the side of the dump box, ka-trackers. The design is corrugated, meaning it is very suitable for gravel and sand, boulders. It is strengthened the body so that yung mga corrugated na yan yung nakapapatibay pa sa dump box natin kahit lagyan yung mga boulders yan sa loob. And then, ito, panalo tayo dito mga ka-trackers. It has already a built-in ladder going up the dump box. Alright, so one of the features. And then you can see the spare tire holder that is new. Kita nyo naman, no? Meron siyang pulley, and then kita nyo meron siyang sabitan. Solid na solid mga ka-trackers. And later on we'll go to the cabin. Ayan mga ka-trackers, napadump natin yung 6-wheeler na 15 cubic dump truck ng Shackman L3000. Kita nyo mga ka-trackers, oh, naka front lifting po tayo, no? Front lifting, ibig sabihin mas madali ang pag-dump nya kasi hindi hirap ang makina. Ayan, sariwa mga ka-trackers, oh. Ito naman, ha, laki ng chassis. Ayan, ito makakapal yung bakal na gamit dito. Yung mga molde na malalaki. At ang gulong niya 12R20 na, 12R20 10 stud. Pag nagilo na yung ating sa pinakalikod niya. Ayan, solid to mga ka-trackers. So later on pupuntahan natin dun sa loob ng cabin niya kung paano i-operate ito. Alright, yun naman, sobrang solid ang differential niya. Yung differential 4x2 pero planetary, malaki. Kaya mga ka-trackers, nakita nyo na kung paano ka solid itong Shackman L3000 4x2 15 cubic dump truck. So, akyat tayo sa cabin mga ka-trackers. As you can see, cabin niya may dalawang hagdan. And then if you open the door, automatically light at the bottom of the door panel illuminates. So, napaka cool nito mga ka-trackers. Ibig sabihin pagka gabi, so very safe na safe siya. Kaya sa umiilaw, para dito hindi tayo kakamali sa paghakbang kasi naiilawan siya. Alright mga ka-trackers, as you can see naman dito, and the part na to, ito yung tinatawag na air adjustable seat or chair, no? So yan, sa driver's seat, adjustable yan with air, no? So cushion ba, ibig sabihin pagka nag-a-adjust yung hangin pati sa mga lubak, so napakasarap yan sa part ng mga driver, hindi matagtag. And then this one is the dump box switch, no? So later on we will demo. Alright, ano pang inaanay natin? Let's go up. Alright ka-trackers, we're now here inside the cabin of the L3000 Shackman 4x2 dump truck 15 cubic meter. As you can see here is the dashboard. Let's switch it on. Alright, you can see there is a welcome note at the dashboard. And then you can see the panel gauges, no, right? It's the RPM in the battery, and then battery indicator. You can see here the park indicator, and then there is a digital trip meter and odometer, and battery voltage, as you can see, is fully charged, 26.4 volts. And then here is the fuel gauge indicator, and then the temperature gauge, and then this is the speedometer. All right, this one naman is the steering wheel, no? Napaka ganda, no? Cool na cool, parang pang SUV, no, mga ka-trackers. Ayan, that is the busina or the trumpet. And then you can see here naman, this is the radio, stereo. This is the trumpet switch, then the headlight, and then this is the switch for cabin tilting, and then this one is the PTO. So pagka gagamitin natin yung dump box niya, yung iangat natin, kailangan pindutin muna natin yan. And then you can see the whole of the dashboard, so clean, so fine. I mean, para siyang SUV. Tingnan niyo yung sa passenger seat, napakaganda. And then tingnan niyo naman yung kanyang mga side mirror, bumper mirror, ang laki. And then meron pa siya dito sa taas, yung mga lalagyan, no? So napaka-pulido ng pagkakagawa. And then we have here the cabin light, and then may speakers. Lalaki ng speakers nito, ganda ng sounds nito, ayan, no? And then siyempre meron tayong single sleeper cabin. Ayan, mga ka-trackers, oh, sarap, lambot nito, komportable yung painante or kung driver, relievo. Alright, ayan, mga ka-trackers. And then this is the maxi brake, and here also is the shifting stick, no, or the cambio. Mga ka-trackers, pansin nyo, mga ka-trackers, 8-speed. This is a 6-cylinder pero 8-speed transmission. So meron tayo high and low, mga ka-trackers. Ayan, pakita ko lang, this is high and low. Ayan, solid to, 6-wheeler lang, pero the high and low, and then 8-speed. And it's also an air condition unit, mga ka-trackers. So napaka-comfortable. Ito, napakaluwag ng ng under the pedal, pedal. Ayan. And then of course, this is also a power window, right, mga ka-trackers. Mga ka-trackers, power window yan, power window riser. Ayan, kita nyo naman. And then there's also mga ashtrays, accessories, and then yan. So, solid, mga ka-trackers. So ayan, na-review na natin yung Shakman L3000. So later on we will test the dump box. Ayan, mga ka-trackers. So tapos na natin na i-review itong bagong dating na Shakman L3000 4x2 dump truck, 15 cubic meter. Alright, sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe sa ating channel, just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para updated po kayo sa mga bagong video na ating nilalabas dito sa Oliver the Tracker. So sa mga may kursunada naman dito sa unit na to, you can contact 0916-686-5523 or 0917-363-0329. Alright mga ka-trackers, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Good luck to your business and God bless.